In recent years, we've seen a lot of big brands losing depth and detail on their logo. So it is a trend right now with logos not to have a lot of detail and depth in your design. So it's a good idea to use your graphics, especially if it's a smallish brand that you're designing for, that you use your graphics very cleverly when you're designing on Canva. So we're going to be doing two very quick and easy designs to give you a nice inspiration to use your graphics when you're designing and have a cleaner kind of a look when you're designing. So join me, let's do this. So the first design that we're going to do, both of them are for a motivational hub that you could find on Instagram or Twitter. So logos like this, they're really very good to display on a social media page, and they show prominence and people can recognize immediately that this brand is motivational hub, for example. So how you would start with this one, you would open a logo canvas and then you're going to go to your elements. Once you're on elements, you're going to search for M, and we're going to be searching for graphics on M. And you would click on it once and you would change color and make it white or whichever color that you like. Maybe we can make it bright red, make it nice color red, size it, press T for text. And that's it. Number one, done. You add a second page, you look for that M that has a slash in it. And once you've found it, you change color as well. You size it. You press T for text to add your text. You align it, and there's your 2D done and dusted. Quick and easy, beautiful, unique, and it's gonna look quite awesome on your social media. So all you do, you download it as a 2D transparent, and then you jump in on Photopea and you change it to a 3D if you are wanting to do that. So let's do one real quick, and we change it to a 3D. Download it as transparent. We jump into Photopea. The easiest way is to use the PSD templates that are already there. However, you can download templates from unblast.com. I will leave a link on the description below so that you can find it. But there's lots of PSD templates that are free that you could use. You go to your mockups and you go and you find one that you like. I like this one these days. And you click on the link that says Photopea and you wait for it to load. Once it has loaded, you double click where it says your logo here, and then you would hide the group 3 copy so that you can upload your own design. And your design is loaded like that. You're gonna go File, Save as Smart Object, and then you click once where it says Logo Mockup, and your beautiful design for your motivational hub, 3D stunning. You go File and you export it as a PNG or whichever format that you would like to have it as, and then you click on Save. If you're not sure which format to use, then watch this next video that's going to guide you, telling you which file should you send when you're sending a design. Thanks, I'll see you next time.